Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and I am loving the green. Today we are going to transplant a little bit of cabbage that Seth planted earlier in the year. Well, there are two reasons why I'm transplanting this cabbage. One is it's so huge, and two, you can see the roots coming out of the bottom of the biodegradable pot. So I know that these are definitely ready to transplant. The one thing that I like about these biodegradable pots is that you can definitely just take them and put them anywhere, because they're not gonna, oh look guys, look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but that is a great worm. We're gonna put him back down there. These biodegradable pots are awesome. You just plant them anywhere in your garden. They're gonna turn back into good dirt. And you never have to worry about what you're leaving in the soil. Now I'm planting these in and amongst the garlic because I want to do my best to confuse the rabbits or whatever other predators might come along and decide that they want some of my greens in my garden. Most of them do not like garlic, and they will stay away from garlic. Even though most companion planting guides will tell you that you don't want to grow peas and garlic together, I have always tried to stick my peas behind a layer or a wall of garlic. Not super close, but close enough so that the rabbits and such don't come and munch on them. And so garlic is a great defense against these kind of pests in your garden. As you can see by the size of the plants, we are having a good spring so far. I am looking forward to what this year will bring in the garden. I have a lot of cleaning up to do, as you can see, but this is the first year I've really gotten it back into gardening since about 2013, when my son was born. After that year, we've had all kinds of interruptions. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless.